Hi guys, if you're not using all of these 4 advertising strategies, you're probably missing out on hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of new business and potentially thousands of leads every single month. Hi, my name's Cameron Roberts. I'm a fractional CMO and founder of Bubblegum Marketing. I help my clients launch, grow and scale. There are 4 types of advertising campaigns that you should be running in your business or brand continuously if you want to see exponential results in your marketing. The first type of advertising campaign is based on search. It's based on people looking for you. Now, these people are in the buying cycle. That's why they're going to AI and searching for you. They could be searching for you on Instagram, on TikTok, which by the way are search engines. And obviously they're searching for you on Google and Bing in the normal search engine capacity. These are what we call search-based ads. Typically your Google ads or Bing ads, and they're typically driven by keyword behavior. Now, a search-based ad is targeting people who are in the buying cycle for what you have. These people are already on the internet looking for a solution to their problem. They're already looking for you. They are in the buying cycle. Therefore, you need to show up in the right space and at the right time with the right offer. Typically targeting keywords, but search engine advertising campaigns like Google now have intent as well as keywords. What that means is you can not only target people who are looking for a broad keyword or an exact match keyword, but you can also target more their intent, which is very similar to Facebook and social media advertising. The benefit of these types of leads is that they are higher quality normally because they are in a buying cycle. Now, what that means, of course, is that you will pay more of a premium price for these leads. But that's okay. If you want higher quality leads, why not? The second type of advertising strategy you should be deploying is on social media. Social media advertising is perfect for brand awareness, for generating leads, and for retargeting. On social media, it's interruptive marketing. People are not necessarily going to social media to search for a solution to their problem or to search for a local business's services. They are going to social media to be social. So in your approach on social media, it has to be more direct. It's more along the lines of the old school direct response marketing, where you've got to make an irresistible offer very quickly to capture someone's attention. Your creative usually stops the scroll, and then the copywriting on the ad sells the click or sells the next call to action. With your social media advertising, it's great to have multiple campaigns running that feed each other. So for example, you might run a video views campaign continuously to build engagement, and then off the video views campaign, you will retarget people to your products or services or your e-commerce store. Generally, what we see with social media advertising is you'll get a whole lot more leads. So if your business can handle going through more leads and sifting and sorting those leads to turn them into sales and customers and clients, then great, social media is a great platform. You will also get the leads at a cheaper price than, say, Google advertising or search-based advertising. The reason for this is because it's social media. It's just cheaper to get a lead on social media than it is on Google. The other great thing about social media advertising is that it is a great lead generator for building your list. So if you've got an email marketing software like a MailMunch, MailChimp, HubSpot, Keep, ActiveCampaign, Go High Level, things like that, social media is a great list building tool. So you can move people from one sandpit to another. And so we call, like the Facebook ads, TikTok ads, we call that a sandpit. So people are playing in a sandpit, but the key is, how do we get them from that sandpit into your own sandpit that you can advertise and pitch to them more frequently? So your own sandpit is, of course, email and SMS marketing. So once you move people from one sandpit to the other, you then have more control about the words you say, how you say it, and how often you say it to them through your email and SMS marketing. The third type of advertising strategy that you should be deploying is retargeting. Most people are leaving money on the table because they are not doing retargeting. 86% of people will bounce off your website, sales funnel page or landing page without even taking action. But you've already spent money to acquire them or get them to land on your landing page, website or sales funnel. But then you just don't do anything with them. Well, it's okay, like 14% will take action, will take the next click, will watch another page, will watch the video on your page, will fill out the form. But what about the other 86 to 90% of people who don't take action on the first step? It just doesn't make any sense not to retarget them. And the benefits of retargeting is that it is far cheaper than to acquire the lead in the first place. Retargeting leads are cents in the dollar compared to paid advertising on social or Google. You can get retargeting leads much cheaper than you can via the first lead gen using Facebook or Google advertising. The other benefit of retargeting is you can cross promote. So you can have a pixel on your website or landing page from Google, and someone comes from Google, you can retarget them on Google. But you can also retarget them on social media. So again, if someone comes from a Google ad and they land on your website, they don't take action, you can have a Facebook or a Meta pixel on there and you can retarget those people through Meta. The benefit of retargeting, besides the cost, is that you are following people around on the internet. So when they are ready to buy, when they are ready to make a decision, when they're not so distracted, they'll call you, they'll fill out your website form, or they'll take action through your retargeting. The fourth advertising campaign is a forgotten one that not many people use at all, and it's called the open web. However, not many people know that the open web advertising, also known as programmatic advertising, actually forms 96% of the internet's space in the advertising space. As large as what Google is with their advertising campaigns and their advertising network, as large as what Meta is and TikTok is with their advertising network, those platforms, those social media platforms and Google Ads platforms for the ads themselves, their ad networks, are still only 4 to 5% of the total space available to advertise online. And that's where programmatic kicks in. Programmatic advertising, or open web advertising, presents itself in 96% of the rest of the internet. You can literally be advertising on other people's websites consistently to build your brand and retarget people. Programmatic advertising is perfect for brand awareness. You see it all the time. The banks, the credit card companies, the travel companies, different financial institutions, different software companies are often advertising on what we call programmatic. And you've probably experienced this yourself. You've looked up something on the internet. Maybe you've spoken about it on your phone to someone you know a few times. You've typed the words into a Gmail or something like that. And then later on, you'll be on someone else's website, a news site or something like that. And you'll see a banner ad or a video ad, and it'll be about that exact same thing that you've been talking about. So for example, if you've been talking about traveling to Fiji and you mention Fiji to a partner or a significant other, you go and look up a few Fijian websites, you send an email to someone about Fiji, and then all of a sudden you're seeing these images pop up on the internet in other people's websites, on other people's websites about Fiji holidays. Well, that's no accident. That's programmatic advertising in play. Programmatic advertising is perfect, not only for brand awareness and building that intent-based brand advertising, but it's also great for retargeting. So again, if someone comes from your Google ads, you can retarget them on Meta, but you can also retarget them on the open web, the wider internet. Same as if they come through from Meta, for example, or either, you can retarget those people on the open web. So they might come across your brand on social media, seeing a social media ad, and then you can do some retargeting back on the open web. Now, one of the questions I get asked is, what does an ad platform budget look like? Well, for every $1,000 that you spend, depending on the type of business that you're running, but if you're like a local business, a community-based business, you're a business that people are searching for, say on Google, your typical spend might be 60% on Google ads, 30% on social media ads, and 10% on programmatic ads with branding and retargeting. If you're someone that's more in direct response marketing and you're looking to acquire leads, maybe you're selling an investment product, for example, and it's something that people are not searching for on Google, well, then you flip that model. you go 60 to 70% of your advertising on social media and then 20 to 30% of your advertising on programmatic. It's no good advertising on the Google network if people aren't searching for your keywords. Now, if you take those 4 different advertising strategies and you build them into your brand or business, you will see exponential results that will allow you to launch, grow, and scale more effectively. You'll generate many more leads for your brand or business, and of course, you'll generate and convert many more customers and clients, taking a full funnel approach just with your paid advertising. Now, if you want some help with your advertising campaigns, I want you to reach out to bubblegummarketing.com. That's my agency. Fill out a form on that website or book a time to talk to me through one of the calendar links that are on that website, and we can talk about your brand or business, what you're having challenges with, and how we can help you launch, grow, and scale.